Shake and bake, air fried ham steak. Earlier today, I was threatened with having ham steak for supper tonight. And I really don't want ham steak for supper, but I'm starving now, and I think that's gonna be a good breakfast. I was looking in the cabinet for something to eat, and I seen some shake and bake, and I remember that ham steak was in there that I'm supposed to have for supper, but I'm not gonna have it. And I thought, man, that would be good, that extra crispy coating mix on there, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. So let's go. Let's get to shaking and air frying. Open this up. Do you remember this? You used to get this when you were a kid? This ham is fully cooked, smoked, hickory smoked, bone in. Oh, there's a bone in there. It's gonna be good. Oh, I don't know about this bag. What do you think about this bag? Nope. Well, you know what? Guess what? Good thing I always carry a extra for such emergencies. First, let's put our shake and bake coating mix in the bag. Oh, that smells good. Extra crunchy. Extra crispy. In the bag. Everybody in the bag. Open this ham steak. I got a rack. I'm going to put a rack in here. This is going to fit because I tried it already, but I would like to keep it off the bottom a little bit, just to maybe keep the crunchiness down there. I don't want the breading to stick to the pan. You know what I mean? Let's open this up. Over here. I'm gonna pat this dry a little bit with some paper towels. Got some good ham juice on there. A little smoky flavor. This is a 2-pound ham. They cost $7.40. Ham steak, I mean. You get in the bag now. Seal it up. Start shaking it around. Nice coating on there. Whatever crumbs we have left in the bag, we're gonna make sure we get them on any bare spots. Oh. Ready? Are you ready? Star of the show, the Cook's Essentials. The newest one with a rack. Don't talk back. Remember that rack in there? Put the ham steak in so you can see. Coated nicely. Both sides. Go in there. As I promised, I'm not going to waste any of this. This side's going to be crunchier. I don't mind. We'll call that the top. But I'm glad I have that little rack to keep it off the bottom a little bit. You understand me? Going in. I'm going to press the button that looks like a little kind of ham bone or sirloin something or other. 400 for 9 minutes. I'm going to look at it in 9 minutes. Okay? Okay. It's cooling itself down for 20 seconds or so. Then we're going to look in there. I'm here. Oh, crunchy, look at it. Is that enough? Take a fork. That's a bone. Yeah. All right. I think I like it. You think you'd like it? What's going on this cutting board here? Oh, the bottom came good too. Oh, it's crummy. It's crummy. Woo! Gotta take a taste. Look, crunchy, top, bottom. The outside has that great shake and bake, crispy flavor, and the ham is very tender and hot all the way through and smoky flavored. You can make this for supper with mashed potatoes on the side, some green beans, or just some more good fried stuff. But you know what I'd like to have it with right now? I'd like to have some eggs with it. It's breakfast time. I'm gonna make some eggs. I made some eggs. See my perfect eggs? Oh yeah. Now that's a breakfast. Let me take a piece of this ham with the bone section in here. I like that piece. Oh, I was cutting that already here. Look at this. Isn't that perfect breakfast? Do you love it? Like I love it? Remember, that's shake and bake air fried ham steak. You gonna try that? I'm gonna take some ham steak there. It's going so good. So tender and delicious. There you go. So give that a try, or shake and bake something else in your air fryer. It's fun, isn't it? Remember that? All right. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. I'm gonna eat this. See you later.